Cuisinart CBK-100 2-pound Programmable Bread Maker. For a low-cost but high-quality bread maker, buy the Cuisinart CBK-100. This bread maker is cheaper by almost 50% when you compare it to other machines. With it, you can bake 1, 1.5, or 2-pound loaf sizes. The bread maker gives you up to 12 settings, among them gluten-free, sweet bread, jam, bake only, rapid bake to prepare your bread. It also has 3 crust settings: light, medium, or dark. Like most bread makers, this one has a 13-hour delay start timer. This feature is great if you want fresh bread when you wake up or when you get home from work. With this bread maker, if you are busy with other chores, its audible beep notification will alert you when it's time to add ingredients into your mix. The Cuisinart CBK-100 2-pound Programmable Bread Maker has a lot of great features for its considerably low price. The gluten-free feature is mostly reserved for the high-end bread-making machines. Having that setting makes this model quite popular, and we recommend you buy it if you have a tight budget.